Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and today's video I'll show you on how to simply hide or unhide your location on Instagram, a step-by-step guide. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is head over to your Instagram app. So I'm going to click on here to open up my Instagram app. So after you open up your Instagram app, next thing you need to do is to simply click on your profile icon right here. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on this three slider, scroll down all the way down to about. The next thing you need to do is to simply go to about your account, then go to account based in location, click on that. Then it's take you right here. So by default, your location might be turned on. So when you turn on this button, it means that your location is visible to everyone that visits your Instagram account. But if you turn off this particular button, it simply means that you have hide your location. Hide your country, people will be able to see that you have hidden it. Click on hide. Once you click on hide, the button is going to turn off. If you want to turn it on again, simply turn on this particular toggle button. It's as simple as that. So this is how to simply hide or hide your location in Instagram. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.